Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tappingflamingo, and today we're going to make a beaded pull, one that you can either put on your purse or a backpack, a zipper pull type thing. And the theme of this pull is going to be a Hawaiian tropical theme. So my sister, Tammy Pally of Peacecraft Dolls, actually commissioned me to make this piece for her. And she's going to hang it on one of her Blythe dolls. And the name of this doll is Paradise Girl. So I actually am a Florida girl. I was raised in Florida. I love the tropics. I've been all over the Caribbean, but I've never been to Hawaii. But you know what? They probably have a similar feel to them. I do believe that Hawaii probably has a lot more different tropical flowers, but I do know they have palm trees, just like Florida does. So we're going to hang this silver tone palm tree at the bottom of this pole. And then I was trying to find some really pretty bright colors of beads, and I wanted to use these flowers. We're going to use these silver tone beads, but I've got a coral colored bead, kind of a purpley pink bead, green, yellow, and then this bead flower or flower bead kind of reminds me of either a hibiscus or maybe a plumeria. And then we have this little lily here that we're going to use. In addition, I'm going to actually use copper wire, so we're going to mix our metals. Now I'm going to need some wire cutters, possibly some, they call these split ring pliers. I might be using a split ring. I've already got one on here, but I may not need it, but it's there just in case. I have round nose pliers and some flat nose pliers, and I'll just set those aside. The first thing I want to do is go ahead, keeping my wire on my spool. I'm going to put my beads on the wire. Now, when I do that, this end is going to be the bottom end where this is going to hang. So I need to think of what's going to be up here. So, well, I do know we'll have a silver bead at the top. I always do that. Okay. And then I'll probably do maybe a yellow and this fuchsia colored bead, and then the hibiscus or plumeria, and maybe this coral color bead. And then I think I'm going to put this bead on this lily. Figure out where the hole is. And then the green bead. I want the green bead closer to the palm tree, so. And then in with that silver bead. And this is going to kind of spin a little bit. And I think I'm going to like that. I like the way that looks. So, I'm going to take my round nose pliers. I'm going to make a loop. Now, I can do this one of two ways. I can go ahead and hang this on there, which I think I'm going to go ahead and do. Or I could have put it on afterwards using the split ring pliers. And I'm going to make a messy loop here. So we're just going to wrap this around every which way and make sure we tuck that little bitty in there. We need to tuck it in using some flat nose pliers because that can scratch you or the doll. Once I got that all tucked in down there, I just slid the beads down, and we're going to make another loop up here and wrap it in a messy way and tuck the wire in. So now I've got to put the split ring on the lobster claw clasp. And one thing I should have done before I did this and make sure the lobster claw works. I always do that because some of them don't, but this one is in good shape. All right, so now I've got to open the split ring back up and feed it on to this loop. And we're all done. Keep on. Here we go. There we go. So what do you think? Does it look Hawaiian? Now, I need to make a pair of earrings to match. I decided that I'm just going to do a simple pair of earrings. I am going to do some palm trees, and I'm just going to hang them on these wires. You know, if you have any charms just laying around, matching charms, or even mismatched. I like to wear mismatched earrings every now and then. Just get you some of these ear wires, and this is all you have to do to make a pair of earrings. I mean, can't get much simpler than that. Now, if for some reason the loop on your charm is not going the correct way, then you will need to hang a jump ring on it. FYI, I have tried to take flat nose pliers and turn these, but they break. So you'll just need to get some jump rings to do that. Also, notice these palm trees are different. So I want them to hang opposite. So let's see. Make sure this is the right way. I believe I have them the right way if I looked at it right. Let's see. Yep, they are mirror images of each other, so that's good. So what do you think? Does that look Hawaiian? Let me know what you think. Did I get it spot on or did I miss it? It's very tropical to me, and I think it's pretty Hawaiian-ish. Anyway, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. Mostly, though, I hope y'all have a fantastically wonderful day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.